Hey guys, today I'm showing you how you can convert USD to INR when you're using Exness. Many people think there's a direct switch currency button, but Exness doesn't let you change your account currency after it's created. I'll explain what you can do instead. In Exness, your trading account has a base currency you choose when creating it, like USD or INR. Once you set it, you can't change it on that account. If you need INR as your account currency, you have to open a new trading account and choose INR when creating it. Exness has a currency converter tool you can use to estimate exchange rates between currencies like USD to INR before doing anything live. You find it in the tools section on the website. And since you can't switch currencies on an existing account, here are the real ways to convert. Firstly, withdraw to INR. It's auto conversion. When you make a withdrawal from a USD account to an INR bank method, Exness will convert USD to INR during the withdrawal process at the prevailing rate. No direct button needed. Now we have the B method, trade the USD/INR Forex pair. You can also use the Forex market to convert USD to INR by trading the pair. To do this, open MT5 or Exness terminal, add a USD/INR in Market Watch, sell USD INR to convert USD into INR at current exchange rates. This uses market execution rather than internal conversion tool. Or if you plan to use INR as your base going forward, it's easier to go to Exness personal area, click create a new trading account, and then choose INR as the currency, and then deposit and trade with it directly. So in short, you can't directly switch to INR inside an existing Exness account. You must either withdraw and let Exness convert during payout, or create a new account. So that's it. If you would like also a step-by-step video on how to trade this pair, or how to withdraw, or how withdrawals convert automatically, let us know. Like the video and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching.